Hello students, so today we are going to discuss about lesson number 1, meaning of communication and its methods. So we have discussed about the introduction, what is commercial communication, process of communication and the methods of communication. Okay, we have discussed about different methods of communication. So today we are going to discuss about the two main methods or we have already discussed about oral communication in last lecture. Today we are going to discuss about written communication. So oral communication के बारे में हमने बात की थी, उसके advantages and limitations or disadvantages. And today we are going to discuss about written communication जो सबसे ज़्यादा popular है. So we are going to discuss about its advantages and limitations of the written communication. So first of all, what is written communication? We will discuss about that. Language, script and printing were invented as part of human evolution. This made way for other method of communication. It is written communication, which makes interaction possible between individual and group and individual and also between groups. तो जो लैंग्वेज स्क्रिप्ट एंड प्रिंटिंग है जो हमने इन्वेंट की है ह्यूमन आप बोल सकते हो ह्यूमन बीइंग ने, तो वो उसका एक इवोल्यूशन है वन काइंड ऑफ. इसमें अगर देखा जाए रिटन कम्युनिकेशन में, तो हम रिटन कम्युनिकेशन पॉसिबल है जब दो इंडिविजुअल या तो फिर दो पर्सन जब कम्युनिकेशन कर रहे हो, तो वो पॉसिबल है दो इंडिविजुअल के बीच में, बिटवीन इंडिविजुअल एंड ग्रुप. तो एक इंडिविजुअल और एक ग्रुप होगा, ग्रुप एंड इंडिविजुअल एंड ऑल्सो बिटवीन ग्रुप्स. तो ये जो रिटन कम्युनिकेशन है वो सब जो फॉर्मेट है उसमें पॉसिबल है. वेरियस फॉर्म्स लाइक मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट, लिटरेचर, लेटर राइटिंग, ईमेल, डेलीज, periodicals, advertisements, hoardings, handbills, leaflets, etc. are the examples of written methods of communication. तो हमारे पास बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल्स है. अगर रिटन कम्युनिकेशन की बात करें तो बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं हमारे पास, जैसे कि मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट है, लिटरेचर है, लेटर राइटिंग, ईमेल राइटिंग, डेलीज, पीरियडिकल्स, एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स, होर्डिंग्स, हैंडबिल्स एंड लिफलेट्स एट्सेट्रा. आप देखिए, अगर आप स्कूल की बात करें या तो फिर जॉब की बात करें तो एप्लीकेशन राइटिंग है, रिपोर्ट राइटिंग है, तो ये सब एक वन काइंड ऑफ रिटन कम्युनिकेशन. दिस डेज रिटन फॉर्म इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर्म फॉर एनी सिस्टम. तो अब हम आज की बात करें तो जो रिटन फॉर्म है वो सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है और सबसे लायबल भी है, ऐसे बोल सकते हैं. It is considered to be the most official method for commercial communication. Okay, so it is the most official method for commercial communication. Thus, written method of communication is that process wherein appropriate words are arranged in well-organized manner in selected language and script. So you can say, if you want to do a written communication, the language, script and you must need the words in well organized. तभी आपका जो रिटन कम्युनिकेशन है वो सक्सेसफुल होगा. ओके, नाउ वी डिस्कस अबाउट द एडवांटेजेस एंड लिमिटेशंस ऑफ रिटन कम्युनिकेशन. सो व्हाट आर द एडवांटेजेस ऑफ रिटन कम्युनिकेशन? द फर्स्ट इज विदाउट एनी रेस्ट्रिक्शंस ऑफ प्लेस एंड टाइम, कम्युनिकेशन इज पॉसिबल थ्रू दिस मेथड. So it is possible whenever you want to do the written communication. So without any restriction of place and time, आप कहीं भी हो आप written communication कर सकते हो. Only you need is pen and paper. Okay, so only you need is pen and paper, so you can do written communication from anywhere. Number 2, this method is not free of cost but economical depending upon tools and gadgets. So this method is not totally free of cost, but it's a कुछ पैसे आपको उसके लिए खर्चने पड़ेंगे, लेकिन ये इतना ज़्यादा भी नहीं है. बट इकोनॉमिकल डिपेंडिंग अपॉन टूल्स एंड गैजेट्स, वो आप कौन सा टूल्स एंड गैजेट्स यूज़ करते हो उसके ऊपर डिपेंड है। नेक्स्ट नंबर 3, प्रॉपर अरेंजमेंट एंड फाइलिंग ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन इज पॉसिबल। सो इन रिटन कम्युनिकेशन प्रॉपर अरेंजमेंट एंड फाइलिंग ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन is possible. Arrangement and filing of information makes it possible to quote and refer. Okay, number 4 is in written communication, arrangement and filing of information makes it possible to quote and refer. Number 5, written communication is considered legally authorized and therefore can be used as proof. Very important. तो जो written communication है वो लीगली ऑथोराइज आप बोल सकते हो उसको, और एज अ प्रूफ आप कहीं भी उसको रख सकते हो। अगर आपके पास लीगली आपके पास रिटन प्रूफ हो किसी के साइन के साथ, तो आप किसी को बता सकते हो कि हमारे पास एक लीगल प्रूफ है। सो रिटन कम्युनिकेशन इज कंसिडर्ड लीगली ऑथोराइज भी है एंड देयरफॉर कैन बी यूज्ड एज अ प्रूफ। रिटन कम्युनिकेशन प्रोवाइड्स एम्पल टाइम for expression of information. As a result, conscious efforts can be made to make the expression better, correct, effective and perfect. Okay, so written communication provides ample time for expression of information. तो ये जो written communication है वो हमें sufficient time देता है for expression of information, जिसकी वजह से as a result conscious efforts can be made to make the expression better, correct, effective and perfect. हमारे पास इतना टाइम हमें मिलता है जिसकी वजह से हम उसको करेक्ट करके उसको इफेक्टिव और परफेक्ट बना सकते हैं। Number 7, after finding a suitable person, he can be assigned the duty of written communication. Okay, we can find, or the company or any firm, they can find a proper particular person for written communication only, so that he is the only responsible person for any mistakes. Okay, so after finding a suitable person, he can be assigned the duty of written communication. आप उसको एक ड्यूटी दे सकते हो रिटन कम्युनिकेशन की। हम उसके लिए हमें एक पर्टिकुलर एक ऐसा पर्सन हमें चूज़ करना पड़ेगा या तो अपॉइंट करना पड़ेगा जो रिटन कम्युनिकेशन में माहिर हो, या तो फिर वो एक्सपर्ट हो, या तो फिर उसकी जो मेथड ऑफ राइटिंग है वो अच्छी हो। सो इट इज़ इफेक्टिव एंड इट इज़ हेल्पफुल टू द कंपनी। Thus he or she can be made responsible for mistakes and thus accountability can be established. So he or she can be responsible for the mistakes and accountability can be established. Written communication endows uniformity to the communication done by a particular firm. Okay, endows means provide. So written communication provide uniformity to the communication done by a particular firm. तो ये तो ईजी है समझने में। नेक्स्ट एंड लास्ट पॉइंट, लास्ट एडवांटेजेस ऑफ रिटन कम्युनिकेशन इज it is written communication that helps to create independent image of the firm. So written communication that helps you to make or to create independent image of your firm. Okay, so these are the 9 advantages of written communication. Okay, so it's very easy. You can write down some more if you have in your mind. Now next is limitations of written communication. Okay, so what are the limitations or what are the disadvantages you can say for written communication? So written communication is not possible without pen and paper and therefore it is costly to extent. जैसे कि हमने देखा आगे कि if you want to do a written communication you only need a pen and paper, but without pen and paper it is impossible. So written communication is not possible without pen and paper and therefore it is costly to extent. Every time you need pen and paper wherever you go. So number 1. Number 2, the second limitation or disadvantage is gadgets and tools required for modern written communication create added responsibilities of their purchase and maintenance. So you can say in this modern age or modern era you need more gadgets and more tools for any kind of communication. Okay, so gadgets and tools, you need more gadgets and tools as per the requirement, as per the modern age. So you can say you need to purchase the tools and gadgets, and you need to maintain the same gadgets and tools. So gadgets and tools required for modern written communication create added responsibility of their purchase and maintenance. Number 3, well organized presentation of thought in written form requires human hours, and thus it is time consuming. Okay, so well organized presentation of thought in written form requires human hours. If you want to make a helpful, or you can say effective written communication, you need more time. Okay, you need perfect, you can say you need perfect or effective or better communication. Then you need more time to think about it, and you need more human hours, and thus it is time consuming. So this kind of communication, you can say it's a time consuming, where you want to make a long conversation or long communication and effective communication. Since written method is not direct but indirect, feedback from the receiver may be delayed. Okay, so written method is not direct but indirect. तो जो written communication है वो direct नहीं है, indirect. You have to write down first and then you can send out. Okay, you can mail, or you can post or register whatever you want, but it is the method when it is indirect. So feedback from the receiver may be delayed. जब तक उसके पास जो communication, या तो फिर लेटर, या तो फिर email, या तो फिर application पहुंचती नहीं है, जब तक वो देखता नहीं है, तब तक वो आपका feedback नहीं दे सकता. तो ये थोड़ा डिले हो जाएगा. So since written method is not direct and indirect but indirect, feedback from the receiver may be delayed. Because of the above circumstances, questions may arise about the success of communication. और ये जो circumstances है उसमें questions हो गए कि ये communication है वो successful है या तो फिर नहीं है. The success of written communication depends on the understanding and command over the language and ability to express on the part of the speaker. तो ये बहुत ही important point है कि ये जो written communication है वो डिपेंड करता है, सक्सेसफुल रिटन कम्युनिकेशन किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड कमांड ओवर द लैंग्वेज. आप जो भी लैंग्वेज में लिख रहे हो, इंग्लिश, हिंदी, गुजराती, मराठी, या तो फिर वट एवर. सो यू आपको उसके ऊपर एक अच्छा कमांड होना चाहिए सबसे पहले. दैन आपके पास एबिलिटी होना चाहिए कि उसको आप अच्छी तरह से एक्सप्रेस कर सके, ताकि जो सामने वाला है उसको अच्छी तरह से समझ सके. So written communication or success of written communication depends on the understanding and command over the language and ability to express on the part of the speaker. Written communication, whether in a letter or email form, needs time. Okay, so आपको letter लिखना है या तो फिर email लिखना है. So you have to first think about it. You have to make a particular format, then you have to write down the whole letter or whole email or report or application, whatever. So it needs time. उसके लिए आपको time चाहिए. Okay, so written communication, whether in a letter or email form, needs time. Literacy is essential for written communication. तो जो भी written communication करना है, तो जो भी बनता है उसको वो एक्चुअली पढ़ा लिखा होना चाहिए. So literacy is essentials for written communication. उसको अगर पढ़ना लिखना नहीं आता तो it is impossible. Okay, so this is about written communication. Okay, its advantages and limitations. So this is your first lesson, meaning of communication and its methods. So I hope you understand very well and try to read once again, so it's very clear for you. Try to write down the exercise. What did you learn from the chapter? You can read out yourself and exercise and write down the question answer. Okay, so this is lesson number 1, commercial correspondence, meaning of communication and its methods. In next video we will discuss about the second chapter. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।